What's up, guys? This is the bottom of a 78 Camaro bucket seat. Cleaned up the bottom frame. Have to restring it. All the tension rods rotted away, so I put a new 1/8 inch piece of steel on one side, cleaned up the springs, and then made new tension rods out of some mechanics wire. It's gonna work. Watch the spring. That's pretty good. I got the seat cover just about all set. Check out the seat cover. Boom. All done. Coming out pretty good. Hopefully within an hour we'll be putting it back together.